Hey everyone, today we're talking about one of nature's most breathtaking shows, fall foliage. Those few magical weeks when trees trade their greens for fiery reds, golds, and ambers. Whether you're out with your camera, your phone, or just your eyes, this season is all about slowing down and soaking in the color. There's something timeless about autumn. The crisp air, the crunch of leaves underfoot, that golden sunlight slanting through the branches. It feels like the world is taking a deep breath before winter. But here's a fun fact. Those vibrant colors were there all along. During spring and summer, chlorophyll gives leaves their green color. As days get shorter and cooler, that chlorophyll breaks down, revealing pigments that were hidden beneath. A perfect example of science and art intertwined. And just so you know, all of the photos in this video are available for purchase from my website. Links are in the description, so be sure to check those out. Now let's talk about capturing some fall colors. If you're photographing fall foliage, timing and light are everything. Aim for the golden hours, early morning and late afternoon when the sun sits low and the light turns warm and soft. That's when those reds and yellows glow from within. A bright but overcast day is good for photography too. Colors look much more vibrant when there's no bright sunshine to wash them out. Try shooting backlit leaves. Stand so the sun filters through them. You'll get this magical translucent effect that really shows off the color. And don't forget your white balance. If your shots look too cool or blue, switch to cloudy mode. It'll warm up the tones naturally. Composition-wise, mix it up. Go wide for sweeping forest scenes, but also get close, really close. Capture the veins of a single leaf or raindrops clinging to it after a shower. Sometimes the smallest details tell the biggest stories. So this fall, take a little time to wander. Bring your camera, your coffee, and your curiosity. Whether you're chasing mountains of color or a single glowing maple, remember, you're not just taking pictures. You're preserving moments that will never come in quite the same way again. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe for more photography tips and tricks. Until next time, keep exploring and keep creating.